Guys, have you shopped in Nika's pink sale yet? I have done my damage and quite a lot of damage. But today I thought why not make an affordable product recommendations video because these are the products that I used to really enjoy, and now they have kind of sort of fallen back in my vanity. But for this video, I pulled them out and I'm quite enjoying those. So let's start. There are still 2-3 days left, and you can make the most out of it because in the first few days and the last few days the sale really gears up and they unlock a lot of extra offers over and above everything. Like you get Preway 400, you get 10% cart abandonment coupons, and some limited flash sales, everything on 50/50 or everything on buy one get one or something like that. And the products that I'm going to show you right now are really amazing products and for a very good price. This is a Body Shop body yogurt, and for Mumbai weathers, this kind of a product is amazing. I have been raving about this. I have used this so much in the past, like different variants, and it has such lightweight texture. Like, look at that, and it gets absorbed in the skin so quickly, and it leaves no trace of the product, and it also does not make your skin sticky. Gives a very silky kind of a feel to your skin. So I really love it. It's my favorite product from the Body Shop, and you generally get buy one get one on Body Shop nowadays. So please get your hands on this winter, and like early summer it's gonna be very good for you. Moving on to primers, this is the Maybelline Fit Me primer for normal to oily skin, and it comes with SPF 20, and also this is, I think, the dewy version, and it sort of makes your skin a little tacky, and also creates a barrier so that the foundation does not get clogged into your pores. And it's a good product. I enjoy putting it on. It like disappears into your skin and creates a nice smooth canvas to work with. Moving on to powders, this is the pack translucent powder. This is great. I use this to like kind of set my face because I love using cream products, but I don't like the tacky feeling on the face. So this is very nice to kind of lightly set your face. It is very fine, doesn't leave any trace or white cast or that ashy kind of a look on your face. Even though this size looks very small, don't get fooled by it. It is 2 grams of product, but I've gotten it almost, I don't know how long ago. You really need very small products, so it lasts very long as well. So definitely you can try for a full size later on if you already like it. I think it is under 200, so amazing. Moving on to eyes, these Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadows don't need any introduction. They are always on buy one get one during these sales. I got a shade Ripple and Rooftop Cocktail. This is the shade Ripple, and my camera doesn't really do justice, but it is a nice sparkly glittery kind of a shade. And Rooftop Cocktails is a really pretty duochrome kind of a shade. Like, it has a little shift to it. And there's also a shade called as Ritz, which is a dupe of Urban Decay Space Cowboy. So please check that out. If you put these on your eyes, you don't really have to do a lot to make them stand out. They are just so glittery and pretty and delicate on the eyes. So yeah, you can definitely check these out. The blush, yes, it's a loaded category. This was the year of blushes, and there are a lot of affordable blushes that are there in the market, but my most favorite blush from the affordable category would be the Flower Beauty Blush Bomb. This is the shade Melon, and I wanted to pick up more shades, but I already have so many blushes. I didn't go for it. They were on 50% off, and this shade is just so gorgeous. I really love using it on my face. Like, this has launched even before cream blushes were a thing. It looks super delicate, super natural, and it lasts for a pretty long time. So please don't sleep on these blushes. The lipsticks are dime a dozen. My current favorite are these two from drugstore, which I purchased in this pink sale itself. Because I don't like the lip oil that much, but these clicky pen thingies are very nice. Pout Cloud lip pens, and these are on buy one get one. They are of the same price, so you're kind of getting your money's worth in buying these. So please try these. These are very nourishing. They coat your lips very beautifully, very reflective. And if I have to sit and talk about shiny lip balms or these formulas that are currently in trend, I would take a separate video. Let me know if you want to watch that, because I have tons of candidates that I can compare, or the brands that I can show you. In lip liner, you can definitely try the Huda Beauty mini ones first, because they are very dreamy, very nice to glide onto your lips. K by Katrina also has good lip liners, but I tried that in store. But I really love the Huda Beauty lip contours. Like, the products that I'm recommending right now are currently the best that I have in the drugstore. One of the best. I won't say I have everything, but if I have to narrow it down, what is like coming first to my mind, it is these products. So do check that out, and please give me recommendations if you have tried some products that you really love. So, and lastly, I always forget the brows. Really like this Color Bar Brow Me Fiber Mascara. So I just run it through my brows if I have to go somewhere. I'm not a huge eyebrow groomer. I hate the pain that you get while getting them threaded, but when you do, they look beautiful. So yeah, because of that pain, I don't really do much for my brows. So these were some of my recommendations for the Nykaa Pink Sale in the affordable category. I'm definitely gonna have a lot of products to show you, mainly lip products, because that's the category that I utilize a lot on day-to-day basis. Even though I would love to buy eyeshadows and complexion products, I know I would not use them. I already don't get a lot of chance to use what I have. The way things are going, I should definitely not buy any more lip products as well. Rather, no makeup, but that's not gonna happen. Got a lot of blushes this year, so let me know if you're interested in seeing kind of blush ranking. Hint, hint, it's gonna come anyway. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video where I will be ranking all the blushes I got this year. And yeah, see ya.